Stuff chicken roulade and potato with bechamel sauce. Flatten the chicken meat. Add spinach leaves, cheese, salt and pepper. Roll the chicken and lock using toothpicks. Dip in the beaten egg and cover with flour. Boil a potato and mash it. Mix with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Add all-purpose cream or evap in a pan. Pat butter and add the mixed potato and cook it until it becomes dry. I'm making bechamel sauce. Heat the pan. Put all-purpose cream. Add evap or fresh milk. Mix with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Add dissolved cornstarch if needed.